Hey, thanks for checking out my groovy place. Here's a quick little video on how to run the Nest thermostat in case you're new to it. So when you walk up, it may say Eco, or it may not. If it says Eco, then you just turn the outside dial to change the temperature, and it'll say to just stop Eco. Just say stop. And now you can go to the left, click it, and now you're controlling where you want the heat to be. And then you can go over to the right if you want, click it, and you can tell it where you want the cooling to be. The white number is what we're currently at. And then you can always just push it if you're going to be away, and this will tell you all the modes. We can just do heat, just do cool. Usually I do heat and cool or eco. Turn on eco, start this one, and now it will heat if it gets under 62 and it will cool down if it gets over 84, and those are economical settings. So that's how you run the Nest. Even if they don't look exactly like this one, it's pretty much the same. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.